Hi, friends! Have you ever thought, what if the only thing holding you back is your own mind? Join me as we explore the illusion of limitation, a thought provoking story of overcoming self imposed obstacles and unlocking your true potential. Enjoy! During a research experiment, a marine biologist placed a shark into a large holding tank and then released several small bait fish into it. As you would expect, the shark quickly swam around the tank, attacking and eating the smaller fish. The marine biologist then inserted a strong piece of clear fiberglass into the tank, creating two separate partitions. She then put the shark on one side of the fiberglass and a new set of bait fish on the other. Again, the shark quickly attacked. This time, however, the shark slammed into the fiberglass divider and bounced off. Undeterred, the shark kept repeating this behavior every few minutes, but in vain. Meanwhile, the bait fish swam around unharmed in the second partition. Eventually, about an hour into the experiment, the shark gave up. This experiment was repeated several dozen times over the next few weeks. Each time, the shark got less aggressive and made fewer attempts to attack the bait fish, until eventually the shark got tired of hitting the fiberglass divider and simply stopped attacking altogether. Even when the marine biologist finally removed the fiberglass divider, the shark's behavior remained unchanged. It didn't attack. The shark had been conditioned to believe that a barrier existed between it and the bait fish, and this mental block was so strong that it continued to hold back, allowing the bait fish to swim freely and safely, unharmed by the shark's presence. So friends, what's the big takeaway from this story? After experiencing setbacks and failures, many of us emotionally give up and stop trying. Like the shark in the story, we believe that we will always be unsuccessful because we were unsuccessful in the past. We see a barrier in our heads, even when no real barrier exists between where we are and where we want to go. By recognizing and breaking free from these self-imposed limitations, we can overcome the obstacles that hold us back and achieve our goals. I hope you enjoyed the story. Happy listening!